If you're running ads across more than one client, brand, or campaign, and it feels like the tools and the processes are always kind of fighting each other, then this video is for you. Plai is an AI ads operating system, one connected workspace where your team can create, manage, and optimize campaigns, all without jumping between 5 tools to do so. It's built for agencies managing ads across multiple clients and for in-house teams managing ads across channels and different brands. Either way, the problem is still the same. Too much manual work and not enough system. Plai fixes that. Inside Plai, you can generate creatives, launch campaigns, pull reports, and let the AI handle the optimization, rotating creatives, shifting budgets across platforms, and setting up rules so that your team doesn't have to do it. This means less time managing and more time growing. So if you're wondering, is Plai for me? Well, if you want a system that's repeatable and easy to scale, then you're in the right place. In the next few videos, we're gonna walk through how Plai works, step by step. So let's jump right into it.